want to get you a quick update on the whereabouts of Hilary as she continues to deteriorate across the Baja Peninsula. The good news we have for you here at 8:16 is that Hurricane Hilary has now officially been downgraded to Tropical Storm Hilary. Sustained winds around the eye of the storm, now down to 70 miles per hour. To give you an idea of where we've come, we started at a Category 4 just about 48 hours ago. As this storm encountered cooler ocean water, it continued to deteriorate, and now it is back down to tropical storm status. This is exactly what we expected to happen. So we still expect, and we're still on that trajectory, for this to make landfall in San Diego as a tropical storm. If it makes landfall in San Diego, it will be the first time that we've seen a tropical storm making landfall in Southern California since 1939.